Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it is Asos, the April beauty box. It costs £20. It contains 5 products and it's Get Glam With Me is the theme. And it was launched yesterday. I have free next day delivery with Asos, so that's why I'm able to get it super fast. I pay, I think it's around £10 a year. If you're interested in this box for yourself, which is still available, then you'll find a link down below in my description, as well as all my other links and discount codes to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look there. So inside you've got the products and you've got a little card here. It tells you a little bit about the products. Whether you're a makeup minimalist or a maximalist, yep, baking is back again. This month's face and body box holds the key to every kind of look. Lipstick, blush, eyeshadow, staples, honey. Your next fave product is waiting. Get to know Doll Beauty, an Asos face and body newbie. Via this Come to Mama lipstick, they've got so many A-list fans and soon you'll count yourself one of them. Actually, I think this is the very first time I've tried or received anything by Doll Beauty. Cult Beauty to Doll Beauty? I don't know. Really, really pretty. That's an unusual shade. Not too sure about that. Yeah, it's nice. It is nice. I go for like a coral colour, but I'm guessing that's going to be a bit pale for me. That might be a nice shade to blend into a lip liner. So line my lips, smudge it out and apply this over it to sort of lighten it. So I've got like a fade going on. I think all over that colour is going to be too pale for me and just look washed out. Yeah, I need a bit more of a colour in there, but we'll see anyway. Blush is having a moment too, so of course we had to make sure you got the best with Huda Sassy Saffron. Place it high on your cheekbones for a seriously snatched visage. This is really lovely. I've got 2 of these now and I have got this colour already, so I'm going to see if my daughter wants it. This is Glowish by Huda Beauty. And I received one recently in a beauty box and I can't remember what it was. Was it Cult Beauty? I can't remember. I can't remember. But yeah, so you got a little mirror there. It's really, really pretty colour. You can see? Yeah, I really like it. But I've got exactly the same one. Oh, I know some of you like to see what my nails are like when I first get them done. I had them done last week. You see? I wasn't so sure on the khaki sort of green, but I really like them, a bit different. Pixi's also been popping off online, so we've made sure to include the makeup fixing mist that'll give your creation some serious staying power. And then it doesn't say anything else about the other products in the box. It just says all this and more. Now I have tried this before, but I honestly can't tell you I've given it much thought about staying power. I tend to use facial mists for keeping my makeup looking dewy and glowy and hydration and yeah, not so much longevity. If I want longevity and staying power, Urban Decay All Nighter. I love it. Otherwise I just use other sprays. I love a spray though. Oh, ooh, that's coming out a bit weird. My forehead is getting it. It's got that rosy smell to it. What's it say about it? This is a rose water and green tea makeup setting spray. 30 mils there. Next up, we've got a product from Lottie London. This is Ready, Set, Go. This is a setting powder. Little pot there, I'll just open it. I'm not going to take the seal off. But it's a translucent setting powder. It says True Translucent. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got this eyeshadow palette. This is from Revolution Pro. This is Goddess Glow Ultimate Shadow Palette. That's all you can see. It's a flipping ring light. There. No? Okay. It's really pretty. And look at the colours. Oh my word, you've got a massive mirror. But look. Those colours are so pretty. Wow, where do I even begin? I've got to try Paradise, which is like a multi-tonal colour shifting glitter. Oh, that's beautiful. All Over, which is a gorgeous copper Wow, okay. These glittery formulas are more like foils, so you've got more control with placement. I'll show you what I mean. You see there? Right. So great for tapping on the skin and staying there with no fallout. Yeah, they're so pretty. There's not many mattes. How many mattes are there? 1, 2, 4 mattes, and all the rest are shimmers and glitters. Nice bold colours. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's really lovely. What do you lot think? I suppose this is the main item in the box. If you don't want the eyeshadow palette, then I don't think that you'll necessarily go out and buy this box. The other items are really nice in there, but I think this is the standout product, in my opinion anyway. But yes, we've got the eyeshadow palette. We've got a makeup setting spray by Pixi. We've got a true translucent setting powder by Lottie London. We've got a full-size Huda Beauty Glowish blush. The blush is around £16, I think, from memory anyway. And you got a Doll Beauty lipstick, which, yeah, I'm going to see what the shade is like, but I think that'd be quite nice just to blend it into a lip liner. That's what I'm going with it anyway. So yeah, so please let me know what you think and whether you went for it, or are you watching this for the first time thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.